I could pretend to be Polygon.
Pieface, you're a genius!
I know I am.
Creature doesn't have to see Polygon, just hear him. How's your parrot impressions?
What's he done now?
Testing Menace voice projector.
Testing Menace voice projector.
Haha, nice one, Dennis! Time to squawk the squawk, Curly.
No, I should do it. I'm much more of a bird brain than you.
Mrs. Creature's come to check on Polygon, Dennis.
I've just covered up the cage to give his eyes a rest. He's fine. He'll tell you himself. Won't you?
I said, won't you?
I'm fine. Squawk!
I'm fine, Squawk. Dennis is the best.
See? Nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I like Pieface too, Squawk. Get off.
Sorry about that. I mean, Squawk.
I've taught him some impressions.
Oh, well, I am impressed, Dennis. Can I take a little peek at him? On second thoughts, I'll just make sure he's back in school tomorrow morning.